What is repository in Git? Git repository is a central storage location where project resides. A Git repository contains all the files, folders, and the complete history of changes made to those files. It is an important component of the Git version control system. It allows multiple developers to work on a project simultaneously. In this example, two developers will work on different files. Once development is done, they can commit the changes so that it will be available to all other developers. Once you have a Git repository, there are three essential concepts and commands to understand, which is branches, commits and staging. We will cover this question in separate video.
If you found the video valuable, we encourage you to subscribe, like, comment, and share. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest uploads and never miss out on new content that can benefit you.